office then, or my employer then, the International Federation of Women Lawyers, FIDA, undertook a fact-finding mission on the issues of Batuk. Mr. Speaker, what happened then is that the same allegations that are being raised now were being raised in 1997. And as a matter of fact, there was a British lawyer who took up this matter on behalf of the women who were complaining then, and went to the UK, but unfortunately they lost the case because of course, challenges to do with the distance, evidence, and all that. But Mr. Speaker, what I can say for a fact is this. Number one, that if you go there right now, where Batuk is, there are many colored children, and they did not appear there by osmosis. When you have colored children, it means a black person and a white person had a child. And they are not, it's not occasional. There are very many, and they are now adults. And Mr. Speaker, they were either born of rape or consensual sex. If they were born of rape, the people who raped their mothers should be held accountable. If it was consensual sex, then the fathers must take responsibility according to Article 53 of the Constitution of Kenya that recognizes even children born out of wedlock. Even in the UK itself, you actually have fathers taking care of their own children. Mr. Speaker, Kenyans have accused this parliament of abdicating its oversight role. And I'd want to challenge Kenyans to listen that this is one case where we are actually following and dealing with the oversight role properly. Mr. Speaker, if you listen to what the PS for Foreign Affairs has spoken about today, it is more sympathetic to the Batuk. As Parliament, we will not be sympathetic to Batuk. We will look at the human rights of our own people. And Mr. Speaker, that does not mean that we do not like the British. The British themselves are protective of their own citizens. And it is embarrassing for us as Kenyans that would allow people on a friendly basis to come to our soil and then violate the human rights of our women, of our children, of our environment, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm telling you, I first heard of this is 1997. This now, we are in the year 2024. I don't know how many years those are. And Mr. Speaker, it is for this House to deal with those issues conclusively, so that we don't have not only the British, but any other foreign agency that comes into this country must respect the laws of the country. You can see what America has actually said very recently in regard to Somalis in the US, which is a very unfortunate comment. And I saw the representative there responding fairly well, because America has been known for their democratic ideals. So actually, when you actually single out a community for discrimination, it is wrong. But you can see that what they are trying to do is to protect their citizens at home. But in the same vein, Kenya must protect its own citizens at home. We can't be saying that because we are being given XYZ, that then we put a blind eye to what is going on in our own country. Mr. Speaker, I'm very happy and proud that I sponsored the Treaty Making and Ratification Act for reasons such as this, so that when there are treaties that are being done or made in this country or being ratified, Parliament must have a say. So I would want to urge that let them bring that treaty, that agreement, and let us make sure that issues of human rights protection, issues of protection of our environment, issues of injury from the trainings that are going on are very well taken care of, and that Kenyans are not taken advantage of. Mr. Speaker, I can see that my time is up, but I want to say that I'm fully in support. This committee did undertake over 1 year of research work, of consultative work, and I want to confirm that we didn't receive anything from the Batuk, even though now I am seeing in the media that they are saying that the committee didn't give them a chance. The committee gave them a chance. They did not talk. So let them be honest and let them protect Kenya. They are our friends, but they are our friends only to the extent that they protect our rights. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I support.
Actually, for the benefit of you and the rest, this matter of the unexploded ordinances was there at the Parliament before you. You're talking about the 8th Parliament. 7th Parliament, the issue was still there. And of